earthers are a group of people who think that every space organization, astronaut, pilot, and scientist lie to us about the shape of the earth. They think that the shape of the earth isn't a sphere and is flat. So, what do I, a 12-year-old, think about flat earthers? The flat earth theory is the stupidest theory I've ever heard in my life. At least the moon landing skeptics have like some sense, which is why didn't we go there in the last 50 years? And we wanted to be the first ones there, so like America will look like the best. Like that actually kind of makes sense, but flat earthers don't even make sense at all because I have no clue why would so many people lie to us about the shape of the earth? I just don't understand that. And how can you explain flights from Japan to California? Now they're gonna obviously have to go the long way if the earth is flat. They're just gonna have to go the long way, which would take a lot more than like the 5 hours or 7 hours it takes to go from Japan to California. Now, do you really think that we have time speeders for like that one aircraft only, or do you really think that there are like only CIA agents on there and those flights are like faked? Like, why can't you just go on that plane? Like, you literally be in Japan and you'll go to California in not 20 hours, much less than 20 hours. I don't know how they can explain that because CIA agents aren't going on that flight just to keep a stupid lie, okay? They aren't. They just aren't. And the second thing is, why would everyone lie to us? That's actually that's actually the main problem. Why would everyone lie to us? Just think about this. Why would every single astronaut, pilot, space organization, every astronaut, like, why would they all lie to us? I'll give you like 10 seconds to think about this. Like, it's obviously not for power, because if they wanted to look cool, then they'll actually say the truth. They'll just be like, we have so much power that we can fake a full-on universe. Like that will look cooler, like in if they were looking for power. So power is obviously not an option because it'll just look cooler. They could fake a full-on universe and a ton of flights. So here's your 10-second thinking time. And your 10 seconds is up. And those were just count in my head, so that might be a little wrong, but did you think of a good reason? I don't think you did, but if you did think of a good reason with actual evidence, then put it down below in the comments. And the third thing I have thought about is, how could they fake a universe? Like doesn't it seem a bit hard? Like when you're staring into the sky, you see all the stars. You can take a telescope, you can look through it, and you can see stars, you can see Mars, you can see Venus. You can literally see everything through a telescope. That telescope ain't faked. I like literally you can build your own telescope. And then you're probably gonna say the parts in that telescope were defied by like NASA scientists. Whoa. NASA scientists are here in our house. They're defied by them. I just don't get that. I just really don't get. I really don't get how they could fake a full-on universe. Like, explain that to me. I'll give you another 10 seconds to literally explain that to me. If you got a good reason, then I guess put that also in the comment. But for like the first time that I counted, like put like 1, and for the second time put 2. And this time also give good evidence, like real good evidence. Yeah, that's literally what I want. I want good evidence that could make you think. Okay? The fourth thing that I have to say is, what's your opinion on all of your experiments failing? What's your opinion on that? Like, what's your fact about that? Like, tell me. Like, literally everything that you've like done is literally failed. Like, your only thing that has like been like successful is like when you look at a ship that has gone, like it hasn't gone through like the you still see it, but like you can clearly explain that because it's actually the reflection from the sun and the water, and like I mean, if you just use your brain, you could think of that. In 10 seconds, I'll give you another 10 seconds to write a comment on like a real experiments that have been successful and all the facts. If the facts are wrong, then the earth is not flat, okay? The earth is not flat. Okay, here's another 10 seconds. Did you think of another good one? Then put this as, I guess the number fourth one or number third. Just number it, and make sure you also have good evidence on this. Good evidence. The fifth thing that I have to talk about is, I guess, the ice wall, where you say they're like NASA scientists are like there trying to stop everyone. Why can't all like the flat earthers just donate like like $10 or $100? Like just donate like a small amount, and like with like a lot of them, if there's like because there's a lot of like dumb idiots around the world, if a ton of them donate, and like a ton of memers would also donate. A ton of people would donate because they want to like prove the flat earth is wrong. Just donate like each donate like $10, and then get a ship, sail over there, and see if there's actual NASA scientists. And then when you get to the ice wall, which is probably Antarctica, you have to walk through it. You have to go through. If you go through it, like if you just walk through full Antarctica and like you fall off, then you are correct. But I don't think that'll happen. It'll just be ocean. Then you'll sail back and you'll be at the other side of the road, and you'll just know that you're stupid. You'll just know that you're stupid. The sixth thing is, like, if they did CGI for the moon landing, like the people say that they did CGI for the moon landing, and how could have CGI been that good in like literally in 1969? CGI definitely wasn't that good. It was trash can terrible. It was definitely not that good. You couldn't tell the difference between real life and fake. CGI just wasn't that good, so you can't use that. Now you can kind of use it as an excuse, but you can't use it as an excuse back then. Tell me one way the CGI could have been that good in another 10 seconds. And that's all I have to talk about flat earthers and what I think about the flat earthers. Basically, I think they're stupid. I think they're really stupid. That's literally it. I think they're just really stupid. I could talk for like so long on this. So if you want a part 2 on this, then I guess put that in the comment. Hopefully I change your mind for the better. Just like hopefully I change your mind, and that's basically it. Put down below in the comments your opinions and facts on why you think the earth is flat. Make sure they're all good. Like I've always said, if they aren't good, don't put them. Don't be like the earth is flat because the fan is spinning. That's why the earth is flat. Don't put stupid stuff like that. Don't put stupid things that a 2-year-old could have thought of. A 2-year-old. That's it. Put good reasons why, like, we would fake the earth. But that's just what I think about flat earthers. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. If you want to become more logical, comment down below what you guys think about flat earthers. Click on these 2 videos and hit this subscribe button right above my face. But until next time, I'm Logical Shri.